In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view sensitive content in Telegram. If you're trying to access channels or media that Telegram flags as 18 plus, you'll need to adjust a privacy setting. We'll do this on Telegram Web, but the steps are very similar in the desktop and Android apps. First, open Telegram by going to web.telegram.org in your browser, or launch the Telegram app if you already have it installed. Sign into your account so you can change your preferences. Make sure you're using the official Telegram site or app for security. Before changing the filter, confirm that your date of birth is set correctly in your profile. Telegram uses your age to decide whether to show adult content, so the birthday on your account must reflect that you're at least 18. If it's missing or inaccurate, open your profile, edit your details, and save the correct date. Accurate information here helps the sensitive content setting appear and work as intended. Next, open Settings. On the web, click the menu icon and choose Settings. On desktop and mobile, you'll find the gear icon in the side panel. Settings is where all your account, chat, and privacy controls live. From there, go to Privacy and Security. This section manages who can see your info, how your two-step verification works, and, importantly for today, how Telegram handles sensitive media. Now look for the option labeled Show 18 Plus Content or Sensitive Content. Turn this on. Enabling this allows you to view media and join channels that Telegram classifies as adult or potentially sensitive. Nothing else about your existing chats changes, and you can return here anytime to switch the filter off if you prefer a stricter experience. After you toggle it on, give the app a moment to update. If you don't immediately see changes in channels you're browsing, refresh Telegram Web or reopen the app to reload your feed. If the option isn't visible on your device, it may be due to local laws, App Store rules, or regional restrictions. In that case, you'll need to use a supported platform and comply with all applicable policies and laws. That's all there is to it. You've opened Telegram, ensured your birthday is correct, gone into Settings, opened Privacy and Security, and enabled Show 18 Plus Content. Use this responsibly, and remember, you can always come back and disable it if you change your mind.